Hi, my name's Bill. This is my house, and I had Aaron and GBC come in and do some work on it. I'm very pleased with the quality of the work. The first thing I had them do is put a new roof on it. And if you look over here, you'll see that which had a nice sag in it, a nice kind of sway back in it. And they came out here and they rebuilt it, put the new roof on and made it all weatherproof. Looked really good. And so at that point, I was talking with Aaron and I thought, you know, I'm gonna get the place painted because they do painting and windows and doors. I mean, I don't know how much interior work GBC does, but they do a lot of exterior stuff. So they came in, they painted it. It's a coating. It's like a elasticized, or whatever you call it, plasticized coating. They did that. They painted out all the trim. I left to go visit my brother in Santa Barbara. Was gone for about 3 days. When I came back, the whole house was done, and it was amazing. And then they've got a guy named Steven who's an excellent door and window guy, and he came out and banged out all the new windows throughout the house, replaced all the windows, and he got it done in a day. And so you can see the quality of the windows. They're really nice. They're clear. They open easily, and they're all pre-painted and coated again so that they're very strong, and that's what they did. So we'll take a walk around and I'll show you the rest of the house. So let's take a walk around the side of the house and the back, and I'll show you the rest of the job they did. This was rather problematic in here because these walls were pretty shot, you know what I mean? They were chipping and all of that, and they cleaned it up really nicely. And it really came out nice. And this is an example of the doors they installed. Really clean application, very secure. Very happy with it. Nice work on the trim and the eaves. Some real nice examples of the work. But they put the new doors in, 2 sets of double doors. They put the windows in. They changed all the windows throughout the house. I can walk. So in closing, I would say to you that I was very pleased with the quality of the work. Totally professional. They came out here, the workers cleaned everything up. It was done really well. And the end result is excellent. I would hire them again. Matter of fact, I am hiring them to do some more work. And I would highly recommend them if you're gonna get some work done in your house. They're fast, they're efficient. So I'm very pleased with it, and I think you will be too.